Television. On this episode, we have a little fan. This poor fan has a problem. An extreme amount of armature play. That's its problem. Let's begin disassembly without a tripod of any type. We've got our flathead screwdriver. That is clearly not working. Aha! Forgot. This is our flathead screwdriver. Yes, I don't have a flat screwdriver on hand. This is the lab after all. Oh my god, what happened? I got blacked out for a second. Anyway. Seems like there's not much up and down play, so I think it is just that kind of play. Thank goodness I don't have to use this is a Phillips head too, because I actually have a good one. So we'll pop this off in a jiffy. If I'd realized would have been filming today, I would have brought in my tripod and camera, but I didn't. So I brought my higher definition, but no tripod telephone. There's one. Now this is some kind of Sanyo fan. Just a little itty bitty desk fan. Blade's probably something like 8 inches, 7 inches. Yeah, 8 inches. I'm going with 8 final answer. Anyway, I have taken this apart before, and I don't remember why I didn't bother to actually fix the problem. I don't remember. I'm sure I'll find out. Now, just like any good person, you never want to work with when these are unplugged. You want to always have them plugged in when you're working on them. For those who don't know, that is a joke. Never work on electronics while they're plugged in. You're gonna die. Maybe. Depends. Yoink. Well, now some memories are flooding back. I do remember taking out the oscillating mechanism because it didn't work in the first place, but even if it did, it wasn't helping our problem. That is ridiculous. Now it's time for oh, I remember why I did. Okay. Hey, you know what? I remember why now. These screws are a B word. They won't come out for the life of them, so instead of giving up, I'm gonna try some more. Alright. I tried on these for a little while, and unfortunately, it ain't budging. No, sir. So, this calls for a trip to the garage! Now, we're in the garage, in the middle of the night. Let's do this thing. 2 of these actually got loose, this one and this one, but this guy's just a little B word. 1 pair of vice grips later, and we're in business.